Hello guys, today I got my new hat from Sam's Club for like $7. Pretty nice, right? Got nice covers for fishing. Yeah. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my 4-feet alligator gar, and this is all the stuff I'll be using. Hopefully probably not gonna need to use this one, but I'll bring it out just in case. I'll be using this titanium Cuda knife. It's a 8-inch fillet knife from Walmart. This works most of the time. As for this bubble one, it's a bit big. I don't use it often, and I'm gonna sharpen the knife with this tool here and a pair of gloves. I'm gonna use the cooler. It's a 120 quart cooler that I'm gonna be using as my tabletop, and this gonna clamp the tail in place, so when we try to take the top of the fish out off, it's gonna hold the fish in place. And this nice kid chair right here, perfect for this cooler size level. And I have a small cooler on this side. I'm gonna put some ice over, and the fillet pot I'm gonna put it in the cooler. Alright, let's get to it. Put my glove on here. And move our knife down to the ground. First I'm gonna sharpen this knife. This tool works pretty good. Alright, so now I'll put this down on the side here. So slimy, so we're gonna put it on here, and then we're gonna spray it down, spray the slime off of the fish. Look like we're gonna try to clear out all the slime off the fish. There's a sand flea right there, and one more on down there. It's very slimy. First off, we're gonna clear out all the slime. Probably gonna clamp the bottom fin here to keep it in place, and then we can chop from the top down here. use this vice grip to hold this up, and then we're gonna chop it like so. I think if I'm holding the top here, I don't really need the bowl on the bottom. Just the top of the cooler should be okay. Gotta aim the knife down a little bit. Crap, scale flew into my eye. Alright, so I think I'm gonna need to wear a safety glass on this one. Got my safety glass here, guys. Gotta be safe with this. Put your glass on. Almost got blind with it. Scale is so hot I can barely break it, but my eye is kind of burning right now with that scale flying into my eye earlier. Just flew around my face again, the small piece of scale that's broken off. I got that piece off nicely. That's all you pretty need. And then now we just need to use the fillet knife. Now we look right here, really nice and close to the meat. Gonna start from the top here and just go under its skin. The scale of this alligator gar is like 1/4 inch thick. I love alligator gar. They are very meaty. You gotta cast like a good size like this around 3 feet above. That way, when you clean it, it would all the meat. And just gotta work on the other side. I've got most of that part done. From the top. Nice big piece of leg, guys. Just going along the ribcage here. Look at that piece of fillet, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna cut it into chunk, and then I do I'll seal it with the vacuum seal. Once you done do your first fillet, this is the second time I cleaned this fish. Last time I did it on the same size alligator gar. Look at that two fillet in the ice chest right here. This is pretty much it. You can discard this in the leg, and then alligator gonna have a nice meal. I'm gonna cut this two piece of fillet in to portion size. So I'm probably gonna do like this. Use your cooler as a tabletop. Is you know, good for that case. And then I'm just gonna vacuum seal this and then label it. Alright, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it back into the cooler. To discard this at the boat launch. Let's go. Using a food saver to vacuum seal the fish and preserve it. And I got some sticker to stick on the bag with the date. After you do the top here, 1, got 8 pieces total. Put each piece in the back here. Now I'm gonna check the empty pan, see how much it is. It's 1.6 pounds, so we only have like 7 pound total fillet. Moving on, we're gonna vacuum seal these fillet. The chain is setting up here to moist. Currently set to dry, so I'm gonna change it to moist. Put this in. Suck all the moisture out. That beauty fillet. Here's the final result.